Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is going to be located across the front of your engine. Typically, you're going to have a fan and a couple other things that are in your way. Now you can easily access this with everything there, but it's not so easy to see for the video. So I went ahead and got it out of the way. Now with that said, if you were to look along the passenger side directly underneath the alternator, you're going to find the serpentine belt tensioner, and right down here is where you're going to have to use a 3/8 ratchet to go ahead and turn this counterclockwise to relieve tension. Once you've relieved tension, you can go ahead and start pulling it off of your pulleys. Okay, now it's time to install our brand new serpentine belt. Before we go ahead and put this on the engine, compare it to your original. We're just going to take it on one side and put it right over our thumb, just like this. Now you can take the original, do the same exact thing. Let them hang, and you're going to go ahead and follow it all the way down to the bottom with your other thumb. Give it a good stretch, make sure they're approximately the same length. Assuming that looks good, let's get it in the vehicle. Now when we put our serpentine belt on here, you want to make sure you put it back in the original routing as when you removed it. If you can't remember how it was, just go ahead and take a look at the plastic piece along the front of your grill. All right, so at this point, I'm just going to hold some pressure on this. You want to double check to make sure you're sitting inside all the grooves of all the pulleys. Assuming everything looks good, go ahead and grab onto your serpentine belt tool or even your 3/8 ratchet. Go ahead and relieve tension and slide this underneath your idler pulley. Before you continue any further, you need to give this a double check now. Double check all the pulleys to make sure it's sitting on all of the grooves. The smooth pulleys, obviously it's not such a big deal, but any of the ones that do have a groove, it needs to sit perfectly, otherwise you're going to destroy your belt after it's been running. Okay friends, we got our serpentine belt reinstalled. At this point, you're going to want to go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for approximately 5 seconds. After that, turn it off. Get back under the hood and triple check that belt. Like I said before, it's very important for it to be inside all of the grooves. Assuming it's good, go ahead and close the hood and take it for a road test. Thank you for watching.